Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is on the best RV roof coatings review. This list is the result of detailed research and hands-on testing, considering features, pricing quality, and brand reputation. Make sure to check the description below for more details and up-to-date pricing. We've included all the links in the description below. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Starting at number 5. Everbond Liquid Rubber RV Roof Coating is a reliable solution designed to protect and extend the life of your roof. Built with advanced stretch and seal technology, it offers exceptional flexibility that adapts to movement, helping prevent cracks and leaks over time. The nano-filtered formula removes impurities to improve adhesion and durability, ensuring a long-lasting protective layer. This coating forms a seamless waterproof membrane that blocks moisture, air, and harsh weather conditions. Its high solid content delivers strong coverage, while the bright white finish helps reflect heat for a cooler surface. Easy to apply with a brush, roller, or sprayer, it dries quickly and builds a thick, durable layer with multiple coats. Suitable for RVs, trailers, metal roofs, and more, this versatile coating provides dependable protection for various surfaces both indoors and outdoors. Number 4. AMES Maximum Stretch Roof Coating is a dependable solution for protecting and restoring low-slope roofs with long-lasting performance. This elastomeric acrylic and rubberized formula delivers impressive flexibility, allowing it to expand and contract with changing weather conditions without cracking or peeling. Its bright white finish reflects a high percentage of sunlight, helping reduce surface heat and improve overall energy efficiency. Designed for strong adhesion, it works effectively on metal, rolled, and built-up roofing, making it suitable for RVs and various exterior surfaces. The coating forms a durable waterproof barrier that helps prevent leaks and moisture damage over time. Easy to apply using a brush, roller, or sprayer, it provides smooth coverage and reliable results. Made with low VOC materials, it offers an eco-friendly option for both residential and commercial roof maintenance projects. Number 3. Rexoseal Clear Roof. Shingle coating is designed to protect and extend the life of your roof while maintaining its natural appearance. This transparent epoxy urethane formula penetrates deep into shingles, creating a strong, flexible layer that helps prevent damage from harsh weather and daily wear. With excellent adhesion, it bonds securely to the surface, while its superior UV resistance protects against sun-related deterioration over time. The coating also helps lock shingle granules in place, reducing the risk of loss in high wind conditions and improving overall durability. Its waterproof barrier keeps moisture out, helping to prevent leaks and structural damage. Easy to apply and highly effective, it provides dependable coverage across a wide area depending on surface type. Ideal for homeowners seeking a clear, long-lasting solution, it offers reliable protection without compromising the original look of the roof. Number 2. Liquid Rubber RV Roof Sealant is a professional-grade solution designed to keep your camper, travel trailer, or RV roof fully protected and leak-free. This flexible elastomeric coating creates a durable waterproof membrane that adapts to temperature changes while maintaining its seal, preventing water damage and interior leaks. Its solar reflective properties reduce heat absorption, helping lower interior temperatures and extend the life of your roof. Compatible with EPDM, TPO, fiberglass, and aluminum surfaces, it adheres strongly when paired with the appropriate primer and can also be applied to vents, skylights, and awnings. Easy to apply with a brush, roller, or sprayer, it delivers professional results in a single weekend without special tools. The water-based, low VOC formula ensures safe use while forming a brilliant white, high-performance protective coating built to last for years. Number 1. Countryman Coatings 100%. Silicone roof coating provides professional-grade protection for RVs, campers, and flat roofs, helping to restore and extend the life of aging surfaces. Its durable silicone formula creates a waterproof seal that resists leaks, cracks, seams, and ponding water, forming a flexible barrier that adapts to roof movement without compromising performance. Designed for easy application, it can be rolled, brushed, or sprayed directly onto a wide variety of surfaces including metal, EPDM, PVC, TPO, concrete, and more, without the need for a primer in most cases. The coating's high UV reflectivity reduces heat absorption, helping lower interior temperatures and energy costs. With its strong adhesion, long-lasting performance, and versatile coverage, this silicone roof coating delivers reliable protection while keeping roofs cool and efficient, making it an ideal solution for both residential and recreational roofing needs.